Right guys, this is going to be a short vlog, but
if you can't really tell, it looks like there's waves.
You can't even see it on camera. Guys, it's just like happened right now and all.
Like this was the perfect sunny day.
I know.
And then it turned to like the worst day ever. Let me see where my hand gets. Guys, did you not hear that?
God, I don't think it's going to lightning yet. But it has lightning once already.
Yeah, once. I just saw another one. How is that fly surviving? Hey! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Where'd he go?
So,
Guys, it's just stopping now. It's been like half an hour, hasn't it?
no, it hasn't. It's not.
Yeah, guys, it's been half an hour, hasn't it?
Yeah. It was before 10 minutes, and now it's half an hour. We've been looking at it for this long.
Yes.
Look at our car. It's soaked.
Guys, this is it for the vlog of the day. Bye.